If you keep seeing the Chrome error error_SSL_protocol_error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the most effective fixes step by step so you can get back to browsing safely and quickly. This issue usually happens when Chrome can't properly verify a website's security certificate, which can be caused by incorrect system time, cached SSL data, browser cache problems, host cache issues, or even security software temporarily interfering with the connection. So, if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick Chrome troubleshooting guides. Let's start with the easiest fix first. Check your computer's date and time. Even if your system clock is off by just a few minutes, Chrome may think the website certificate is expired or invalid. On Windows, right-click the clock in the bottom right corner of your screen. Then choose Adjust Date and Time. In the Settings window, make sure Set Time automatically is turned on, and then click Sync Now and desynchronize your clock. This refreshes your system time and can immediately fix SSL State on your computer. This clears old or corrupted certificate data stored by Windows. To do this, open the Start menu, type Internet Options, and press Enter. When the Internet Properties window appears, click the Clear SSL State button. You should see a confirmation message saying the SSL cache was successfully cleared. After that, click Apply and then OK. Now reopen Chrome and test the website again. If you still see the error, the next thing to do is clear Chrome's cache and cookies. Over time, stored browser data can become corrupted and interfere with secure connections. In Chrome, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time to open the Clear Browsing Data window. Set the time range to all time, then check cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Once those are selected, click Delete Data. After the process is complete, close Chrome completely and reopen it before testing the site again. Now let's move on to a more advanced fix. Chrome has its own internal host cache, and if that cache becomes outdated, it can cause certificate or connection errors. Open a new tab and type Chrome, net internals number, DNS, into the address bar, then press Enter. On that page, click Clear Host Cache. This forces Chrome to forget old DNS and host lookups. After that, go to Chrome, Flags in the address bar, and press Enter. At the top right, click Reset All to remove any custom browser flags that may be interfering with secure connections. Restart Chrome after resetting the flags so the changes can take effect. If the issue is still happening, your antivirus software may be temporarily scanning or blocking SSL traffic. Some security programs inspect encrypted web traffic and can accidentally trigger protocol errors in Chrome. Try pausing your antivirus protection briefly and then reload the website to see if the error disappears. If it does, you may need to adjust your antivirus web protection or SSL scanning settings instead of leaving it disabled. Just remember to turn protection back on right away after testing. At this point, one of these steps usually fixes error_SSL_protocol_error. In many cases, the issue is simply a wrong system clock or a stale SSL cache, and clearing that information allows Chrome to reconnect normally. If the site still won't load, you may also want to try restarting your computer, checking your internet connection, or testing the website in another browser to confirm whether the issue is browser-specific or site-specific. So, to recap, first correct your date and time, then clear the SSL state, then clear Chrome cache and cookies, then flush Chrome's host cache and reset flags, and finally check whether antivirus software is causing the conflict. If this tutorial helped you fix the error, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials and browser repair guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.